Your fifth question, what is your advice to the youth of India? I wanted to say only one advice. O youth of India, you are the great inheritor of the immortality. The Upanishad says, Shrunvandu Vishwe Amritasya Putraha Vedahameham Purusham Mahantam Adityavarnam Tamasastu Paro. You Bharatiyas, youth of India, you are the inheritor of Amritasya, Amritatva. You are Amritasya Putra. You are the inheritors of the immortal knowledge. Don't lose your inheritance. No other civilization, no other country can claim this great inheritance.